Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again. And if you're new, hi, my name is Sandra, and today we're going to do my Blast into Japan update number 2. And I know I'm so sorry, but I've been out of the country the last 2 weeks almost, so that is why my update is a little bit late. Just a tiny bit late. And I'm aware of when this update is going up. I only have 2 weeks or something to my next update, so I'm going to work really fast on all these products. But if you don't know what this project is, it is a project hand created on the Pantastic Ladies Facebook group. I'm going to leave all the details down below so you can go over and check all the ladies that are part of it. But today we're going to talk some progress. I think I don't know if I've done well, but I think I have done okay. So the first product is Mercury, and Mercury is grey, and for that I got this one. This is my second Mercury product because I have used up the other one. I'm going to leave the other update up here so you can check it out. But this is my T20 cosmetic powder in the shade Feather Light. And yeah, I got a little puff in here because it's a better way to apply it. But it looks like this. I cannot remember if I have used this a ton, maybe not. If I have a picture, I'm going to pop it up right here so you can see the comparison. But yeah, I think I have done some progress on it, but not too much. This is a little bit too dark for me in the winter time, so summer and fall is the perfect time for me to use it. I really like it, so I'm just going to let it stick around and hopefully get some more progress on it in the next month or the next 2 weeks. Yeah. Next up is Venus, and Venus is pale yellow, and for that I chose this one. And this is also a second product for this planet because I had the Comedux Glow face mask in, so I decided to replace that empty with this one. This is The Body Shop Moringa Body Yogurt, and I really like this one. This is my favorite type of body butter to apply because this is really gel-like. It's so nice and absorbs so well into the skin. I am right here, and this was brand new when I started this project, so I'm really happy about it. So yeah, I have done okay on this one. I tend to forget this one, so I'm just going to try to work a little bit more on it the next 2 weeks, and then we will see. Then we got Earth, and Earth is blue and white, and for that I got this one. This is my Smashbox Primerizer, and yeah, I have not moved so much because I didn't take this one to US with me because I had another primer I really want to use up, so I took that one instead. But I have moved from here to here, so it's better than nothing. I really like this one, so I'm not in a rush to finish it up because I really like it. Next up is Mars, and Mars is reddish brown, and for that I chose this one. This is the Elise Jacobsen Hornbeck Seaweed Face Cream SPF 15. Yeah, you can maybe not understand some of the words on this packaging, and that is because this is Danish, but on the back we got the line, and I'm right here. I took this one to US with me because I knew some of the days in Chicago and in the area of Wales was going to be a little bit more sunny, so just to protect myself. And I didn't wear too much makeup because it was so hot and humid, so if I took anything on, it was gone after 5 minutes. As I said, my line is right here, so I'm really happy to see some progress on this one. This is on the older side, and I think I'm going to throw this out when summer is over because I don't want to have this another year because I know it's a year old. So sadly but true. Then we got Jupiter, and Jupiter is white and orange, and for that I chose this one. This is my Coty Air Sponge Loose Face Powder, and if this is your first video in my project series, don't worry, I'm not going to use the whole thing up, but I really want to use half of it because this is giant. So I'm right here. So I have moved a tiny bit. I didn't take this one to US as well because this is going to make a mess if this is popping up in my suitcase. You know, this lid is not tight at all, and this puff, no. So I'm just going to let it sit here at home because I don't want to have powder everywhere in my luggage or in other stuff. So yeah, I have made some decent progress on it, considered I have not used it the whole month, so I'm really happy about that. Next up is Saturn, and Saturn is pale gold, and for that I chose this one. This is my LA Splash Hydro eyeshadow in the shade Opulent. I don't have any markable progress on this one because I have maybe used this 4 times or something the last month. So this is my line right here. Maybe I'm further down, I don't know, but I cannot see any windows further down than this, so I'm just going to leave my mark here. This is from my last update, so yeah, we will see. Maybe next month I have some more focus on it. Uranus is pale blue, and for that I chose my diesel fuel for life for women. And yeah, as you can see, this is going down, like really down, and I'm so excited for that. I'm right here. I think I can finish this up in the next 2 months if I am using it every single day, I think. Yeah, I think I can do that because my progress has been really decent the last few months, so I'm really happy. This is my intro, first update and second update. So excited to see this go down because yeah, I like it, but it's not my favorite. So I'm really happy to have this pushed out in a few months. Last planet is Neptune, and that is dark blue. And for that I chose this one. This is my Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer, and this is a little sample, as you can see. It took me 4 days to use this up. 4 days! It was insane, and the reason is because it's really hydrating, so I didn't need a lot of it, so yeah, it took me 4 days. But I really like it, but I don't like it more than other creams I have, so yeah, it was okay. But this is gone, so I'm really happy about it. And the reason why this is a sample is because I didn't have any dark blue products in my collection at that time, or I thought I didn't, but in my mind I didn't. So this one is out, and then I'm going to take another product in. And the reason why I said I didn't thought I'd have any other dark blue product is because I found this one. I didn't think about putting a nail polish in, and I'm going to do that now. This is the Depend nail polish in 041, and yeah. Let me see if I can find my line. Oh, it's right here. You cannot see it, or I think you cannot see it because it's dark. My line is dark. So I am right here, and as you can see, I have used this a couple of times. I really like this dark blue nail polish, especially for fall and winter. I don't know why, because fall is more orangey and yellow and all that, but I really like blue for that time of year, so I'm going to work on this one. This is a darker shade, as you can see, so I think I can have this pushed out in the next 4 months or something. So that was it for this update, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe down there, and then I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.